Yo, gang, what's going on, guys? My name is Owen Parents, and this is my first video on my channel. Yo, what's up? How y'all doing? Please comment down below. My Rainbow Six Siege hat, and all you know. Today I'm gonna bring you for a first video how to open the door. So first off, what you wanna do is you wanna open the door. Right? Put your hand on the door handle. Do it in a clench, if you may, and just wrap your hand around the old handle. Squeeze with a tight, exquisite grab. Wrap the fingers around. Turn the knob, usually left, but some people do it right. As you can see, it goes in either way. I turn it. Make sure as you grab the handle and turn, you pull it back away from yourself. To close it, just do what you did by opposite without turning the handle. Yo guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. You know what's lit. It's Halloween, so happy Halloween. And I hope you enjoyed my first video. Please give a like, please give a comment. Please do all your support. You know it means so much to me, baby.